Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're doing a video on how to replace the spark plugs and the coils on a 2006 Volkswagen Passat. Guys, have this vehicle, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent vehicle or not. I've done a couple of videos on this. I'm going to put up a couple of videos more. So basically, this is a this is a 6-cylinder vehicle, I believe. But as you guys can see, the spark plugs are right there. The coils are right there. They're pretty easy as far as taking them out is concerned. Not very difficult. You guys see the, I would say, like the connectors in the front of the vehicle. All you gotta do is just literally unplug them. You could use your hands to unplug them. Don't really need any tools. They're pretty easy to get to as far as the right and left sides are concerned. Matter of fact, they're not even held in by any bolts, I don't think. And I gotta tell you, as far as changing out the spark plugs and the coils are concerned, this car is pretty much might be one of the more simpler setups as far as coils and spark plugs are concerned. You guys have misfires, a check engine light. I'm going to tell you guys what, if you guys have a check engine light, a misfire in this car, it's either going to be the spark plugs or the coils or the vacuum tube. And I'm going to tell you guys what you guys would look for if you guys have a check engine light. If you guys have like a single cylinder misfire, or maybe like two cylinder misfires, it's probably the coil or the spark plug. Now, if you guys have a random misfire code where you guys have a bunch of misfires outside maybe 1 or 2 cylinders, there's a good chance that it's probably a vacuum leak or something else that's causing it. Now, if you guys want to test out whether it's the spark plug or the coils, what you guys could do is you guys could swap out a coil or spark plug that's not having issues to the one that's having issues, and when you guys scan it, if it jumps to that the spark plug you guys changed out, the cylinder weld you guys changed out, and spark plug or the coil you guys changed out, you guys kind of know that it's probably the spark plug. The coils, spark plugs aren't expensive. Coils are, depending on where you get it. If you guys get it at AutoZone or Advanced Auto, the coils could be pretty expensive, because they know that you probably need it as soon as possible so you get your car fixed and going. If you guys buy it on eBay, off eBay and Amazon, they're just a lot cheaper. You could probably get like a set of 6 or however many for maybe like, you know, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. I've seen it as cheap as that in pretty much any vehicle. Now, if you guys have a random misfire on your vehicle, chances are it's probably your one of the vacuum tube that's either disconnected or is broken off or something like that. Especially if you guys did work on your car recently and you guys get this issue, you guys definitely want to go back and check to make sure that you guys put all your lines in place. But as far as this particular job is concerned, if you guys are doing this job, you guys really don't need any particular tools. Probably like a spark plug socket if you guys doing the spark plugs, and the coils. If you guys doing the coils themselves, the wires themselves, probably, you know what, I don't know if there's actually coils on here. They're just spark plug connectors. They're probably kind of like coils, to be honest with you. But what you guys want to do is, you know, they're pretty easy to take off and put on in this vehicle. So probably you guys don't need any kind of special tools for it. In any case, hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.